my time. We don't ever have to fight, just take it step by step. You've been scared of love and what it did to you. You don't have to run, I know what you've been through. I feel it coming, I feel it coming, baby. I feel it coming, I feel it coming, baby. I feel it coming, I feel it coming, baby. I feel it coming, I feel it coming, baby. You've been scared of love and what it did to you. You don't have to run, I know what you've been through. I feel it coming, I feel it coming, baby. I feel it coming, yeah. I feel it coming, baby. I feel it coming, yeah, yeah. I feel it coming, baby. Yeah, I feel it coming. I feel it coming, baby.
Let us hear from the judges, starting with Anthony.
Well, you know, sometimes over the top really beats under the radar, but I thought you really could have made it even more interesting. Really kind of went after the sex appeal in that song. I think you sort of sapped it. It didn't work for me at all. I'm sorry, didn't like it.
Conroy.
You know, last week you showed us that you can sing and that you can perform. The song doesn't really do much, so, I mean, you'd have had to bring something to it that is strong to pull us in, but it was not a bad performance.
Aline.
Jerone, you have a very special voice. I think there's something about your tone that caresses my body. And I think a lot of women, will agree with that. It's a sweet voice. It's a sweet voice. That song did nothing for your voice. If I didn't know that you could sing, I'd just say, okay, it's just somebody that can kind of sing, and it was okay. So I'm just hoping that your song choices in the future will better showcase the kind of gift that God has given you. You know?
Thanks, judges.
Yeah.